Welcome to 90 seconds of photography tips and tricks. Y'all already know, if you follow me on Instagram or even from my thumbnails here on YouTube, that I like all my photos aesthetic, crispy, and unique. So I'm going to start a 90-second timer and hopefully I'll be able to radiate some positive photography energy through these techniques. First, remember you can spice up practically any photo by putting it in a frame. I'm not talking about those cheesy apps that'll plaster some stupid border around your photo. I'm talking more put your photo into an atmosphere that makes sense. For instance, I took this dope projector photo a while ago and decided to put it into a royalty-free Polaroid photo I found online, and I think it just adds so much depth to this photo and kind of highlights the colors in it. The website I used for this photo is unsplash.com, and seriously, think about what you could add to free photos like this, and this. Second, if you don't already have one, buy a softbox. I got this one a while ago for less than 50 bucks, and it's practically become my photography cheat code at this point. It can brighten up a dark background, light up your subject, and make night photography so much easier depending on how you use it. I also find that it's the perfect combo with a matte white table if you're going for that minimal look. Third and lastly, become an absolute control freak when it comes to color. If you don't know what HSL stands for, it's hue, saturation, and lightness, and in a photo editing app, you can change those individual settings for particular color groups in your photo. So in this picture, I only wanted rich orange tones in the background, some skin tone, and some dark blue. And using HSL, I was able to get exactly those colors and nothing more or less. Same as with this picture, I was able to change the natural or original colors into the color scheme of orange and grays that I wanted. By the way, I'm doing all of this in a free editing app called Lightroom. So there you go, 90 seconds and 3 tips that I think you'll find super useful. Before we go, make sure to check out my other and longer videos because I'm sure I got some other content you'd like, and also feel free to subscribe to me on here or follow me on Instagram. See you next time.